Hi everyone, today's topic is pipes and cisterns. Pipe means tap and cistern means tank. Pipes and cisterns same as the time and work. Listen, for example, in time and work, A can do a piece of work in 10 days. A can do a piece of work in 10 days. Then 1 day work of A is 1 by 10. Similarly, in pipes and cisterns, tap A can fill a tank in 10 hours. 10 hours. Then 1 hour work of tap A is 1 by 10. 1 hour work of tap A is 1 by 10. Similarly, next example, tap A can fill a tank in 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Then 1 minute work of tap A is 1 by 40. That means in time and work in taken as 1 day work. In pipes and systems in taken as 1 hour work and 1 minute work. Depend upon the problems. First problem note down. Two taps A and B can fill a tank in 25 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. The third tap C can empty the tank. The tap is empty the tank in 10 minutes. How many hours will be required if all of them open simultaneously to, to fill the tank, to fill the empty tank completely? Listen, tap tap filled by tank filled by tap A in 1 hour work. 1 minute. 1 minute 1 minute 1 minute. Listen, tank filled by tap A in 1 minute work is 1 by 25. That means tap B can fill it by tap B in 1 minute work is 1 by 15, and tap C also 1 by 10. Empty the tank. The tank empty by tap C in 1 minute is 1 by 10. All pipes are open simultaneously. That means pipes are open all of them at a time. That means A plus B plus C. A 1 minute work is a tap A 1 hour 1 minute work is 1 by 25, tap B 1 minute work is 1 by 15, and tap C 1 minute work is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10, because of tap C can open, tap C can tap C can empty the tank. That was taken as minus 1 by 10. That equal LCM is 150, 25 150 6 times, 15 150 10 times, and 10 15 times. That equals 16 plus 15. That equal 1 by 15. 16 minus 15, that equal 1 by 50. 150. That means 150 minutes. That means 2.5 hours. Listen. Next problem. A water tank 3 taps A, B, C opened. So tap A open can fill a tank in alone in 4 hours. Tap B can open can fill a tank alone in 6 hours. Tap C open can empty the water tank alone in 3 hours. A and B open simultaneously. How much time will be taken complete? Same problem. Tap filled in 1 hour work. 1 hour work is 1 by 4. B 1 hour work is 1 by 6, and C 1 hour work is 1 by 3. Required time to fill the tank. Listen. That means A plus B plus C, that equal to A is 1 by 4, B is 1 by 6, and C is empty the tank. That was taken as minus 1 by 3. That equal to 12. 12 LCM, and 4 3 times, and 6 2 times. 3 minus 4, that equal to 1 by 112. That equal to 12 hours. That means 12 hours. Two pipes X and Y working alone can fill a tank in 36 minutes and 45 minutes respectively. A waste pipe jet can empty the tank in 36 minutes. The first X and Y are open. After 7 minutes, jet also opened. How much time will be taken to fill the tank? Tab X can on our 1 minute work is 1 by 36. Tab Y 1 minute work is 1 by 45. Tab Z can empty the tank in 1 minute work is 1 by 30. That equal to first X and Y are open for 7 minutes. That means 7 minutes work of X and Y. That equals 7 into 1 minute work of X plus 1 minute work of Y. That equals 1 by 36 plus 1 by 45. That equals 7 into LCM is 80. 5 plus 4, that equals 7 into 9 by 180. That equal to 7 by 20. And the remaining work is 1 minus 7 by 20, that equal to 13 by 20. After 7 minutes, Z also opened. That means X and Y and Z. That means 1 minute work of X plus 1 minute work of Y plus minus 1 minute work of empty the tank. That means taken as minus Z. That equal to 1 by 30. That equal to 5 plus 4 plus minus the 180 is LCM. 5 plus 4 minus 6, that equal to 3 by 180. That equal to 1 by 60. That means X and Y and Z can fill the tank in 60 minutes. That means remaining work is 13 by 20 into 60, that equal to 3 times, and 13 into 3, that equal to 39 minutes. Next problem. A tank can fill it 5 hours by 3 pipes A and B and C. Pipe C is twice as fast as B and B is twice as fast as A. How much time will be pipe A alone to take to fill the tank? Listen, suppose I don't have what pipe A can fill a tank how many hours? I am taking as X hours. X hours. Then B is twice as fast as efficiency is fast. That means X by 2 hours. B is X by 2 hours. B C is twice as B. That means X by 4 hours. That means 1 hour work of A is 1 by X. 1 hour work of B is 2 by X. And 1 hour work of C is 1 by 4. Sorry, 4 by X. That equal to A plus B plus A plus B plus C fill the tank in 5 hours. That means 1 hour work of A plus 1 hour work of B plus 1 hour work of C is 1 by 5. That equal to 1 by X plus 1 by 2X plus 1 by 1 by X plus 2 by X plus 4 by X equal to 1 by 5. That equal to 1 by X is common. 1 plus 2 plus 4 that equal to 1 by X. That equal to X 1 by X equal to 5. That equal to X equal to 35 hours. X means A can alone fill the tank 30 minutes. This is also another method. Listen, based on the efficiency, based on the efficiency, A efficiency is X efficiency, then B is twice as fast as A, that means 2X. C is twice as fast as B, that means 4X. Efficiency ratio taken as time is inversely proportional to the efficiency, that equal to 1 by X, 1 by 2X is to 1 by 4X. That equal to time equal to 4X is to 2X is to X. Then that means 4X hours, 2X hours and X hours. Listen, 1 hour work of A is 1 by 4X plus 1 hour work of B is 1 by 2X plus 1 hour work of C is 1 by X, that equal to 1 by 5. 1 by X is common, that equals 7 by 4, that equal to 1 by, that equal to 1 by 5. X equal to 35 by 4. That means I want A can come alone can complete the work. That means A equal to 4X. 4 into 35 by 4, that equal to 4 cancel, that equal to A can alone fill the tank in 35 minutes. Next problem. Two taps A and B together can fill a tank in 4 hours. They had be opened separately. A and B opened separately. That means then B is would have take 6 hours more than the A to fill the tank. You know how much time will be taken to fill the tank separately. Listen, I don't know about A. If A in A how much time I don't know. A is and taken as X hours can fill a tank. Then B is 6 hours more than the A. That means X plus 6 hours. Difference A plus B is 6 hours. Next, 1 hour work of A is 1 by 6. 1 hour work of B is 1 by X by 6. X plus 6. That equal to A plus B in fill the tank in 6 hours. That means 1 hour work of A plus B is 1 by 4. Then 1 hour work of A is 1 by X and 1 hour work of B is 1 by X by 6. That equal to 1 by 4. That equal to X into X plus 6 is the LCM. Cross multiply X plus 6 plus X equal to 1 by 4. That equal to cross multiplication 4 into X 2X plus 6 X square minus 6. That equal to 8X plus 24 equal to X square plus 6X. X square minus 24. 2X minus 24 equal to 0. X square 2X factors are 6 minus 6 plus 2 plus 4. That equal to X common, then X into X plus X minus 6 minus plus 4 is common, X minus 6, X plus 4, X minus 6 equal to 0. That means X equal to 6. That means X only, that means X means A alone can fill a tank in 6 hours. Next problem. One pipe can fill a tank 3 times fast as another pipe. If together open, that means slower pipe plus faster pipe open and then can fill a tank in 36 minutes. Then find the slower pipe alone able to fill the tank. Listen, next problem. In this two taps, one is slower tap and second one is faster tap. The slower tap taking time x hours, sorry, x minutes. Then faster pipe taking as x by 3 minutes, x by 3 minutes. That equal to 3x is to x. That equal to next. One permanent work is 1 by 3x, permanent work is 1 by x. That equal to 1 by x, 1 by 3x plus 1 by x equal to 1 by 36. That means a slower and plaster pipe can fill a tank in 36 minutes. Then 1 minute work is 1 by 36 minutes. That equal to 1 by x is common. That equal to 4 by 3 into that equal to 36. X equal to 12 into 20, 12 into 4. That equal to 48 minutes. But I want slower pipe can fill a tank. That means 3x, 3 into 48, that equal to 144 minutes. Next problem. Tap A can fill a tank in 6 hours. After half of the tank filled, 3 more similar taps opens. Then what is the total time taken to fill the tank completely? Listen, a tap can after half tank is filled. That means a tap can fill it in 6 hours. That means 1 hour work is 1 by 6. But half tank is filled. That means half tank how much time will take in 3 hours. 3 hours. Okay. Already one pipe is there. Again 3 pipes are added. That means 1 plus 3, that equal to 3 taps plus 1 tap, that equal to 4 taps. 4 taps on our work is 1 by 6. 4 into 1 by 6, that equal to 2 by 3. That equal to 2 by 3 hours. That equal to, then complete the tank in 3 by 2 hours. 3 by 2 hours. That means 3 by 2 hours. The remaining work is 1 minus 1 by 2. Already one of tank is filled up. Remaining tank is 1 of tank. That equal to 1 by 2. Tank is empty. Then 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 hours, that equal to remaining time, that equal to 3 by 2 hours completely, that equal to 3 by 4, that equal to 45 minutes. That means 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 3 by 4 into 60, that equal to 4, that 15 times, that equal to 3 15 45 minutes. Next problem. 3 taps A and B and C can fill a tank 12 hours, 15 hours, and 20 hours respectively. Tap A is open all the time. B and C open for 1 hour each alternatively. The tank fill the tank full. Next problem. A is complete the work in 12 hours. B is tap B complete fill the tank in 15 minutes, 15 hours, and tap C complete the in 20 hours. Listen. A is open all the time. A is open all the time. B and C open 1 hour each alternative. First A is open all the time. First our work is A is open all the time. First hour B is open, that means C is closed. Second hour A is open all the time, B is closed, C is open. Again, third hour AB open and AC. Third hour, fourth hour is C is closed. Fourth hour is AC open. AC open. Same repetition. Listen, first hour work is A and B. That means A 1 hour work plus B 1 hour work. That is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. That equals 60 is the LCM. 5 plus 4, 9 by 60, that equal to 3 by 20. Second hour, 1 hour work is A and C is open. That means A plus C, that equal to 1 by 12 by 12 plus 1 by 20, that equals 60 LCM 80. That equal to 2 by 15. That means second 2 hours work. That means first hour work AB plus second hour AC. That means AB plus AC, that equal to 2 hours work to 3 by 20 plus 2 by 15, that equal to 60 LCM 9 by 8. That 9 plus 8, that equals 17 by 60. That means same again AB AC is repeating. That means again 2 hours AB AC, again 2 hours AB AC repeating. That means in alternating I am saying already in time and work, the numerator value and denominator value equal to 1. That equal to by equating 1 into 3, that equal 3 into 2 hours work, that equal 6 hours work, that equal 17 by 60 into 3, that equal to 51 by 60, that equals 17 by 20. That means remaining work is 1 minus 17 by 20, that equal to 3 by 20. 3 by 20 again what can do it? AB, first hour AB complete, second AC complete, third hour AB, fourth hour AC, fifth hour AB, sixth hour AC, seventh hour again AB is completed. AB in completed in 3 by 20, that means 2 by 20 by 3 hours, that equal to 20 by 3 into 3 by 20 into 20 by 3, that equal to 1 hour, that equals 6 plus 1, that equals 7 hours. Next problem, last problem. Tank A can fill by 2 pipes P and Q alone in 60 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. Both pipes are open due to leakage or becomes fill the tank in 33 by 1 by 3% more than actual time. PQ together can fill a tank, then find how much time the full tank will becomes empty. Leakage is open. Listen, P is open. P can fill a tank in 20 minutes. Q in 60 minutes. Okay, P in 20 minutes and Q in 60 minutes. On pipe P, P is 1 by 20, 1 minute work is 1 by 20, 1 minute work of Q is 1 by 60. That P plus Q is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60, that equal to 60 is LCM, 3 plus 1, that equal to 4 by 60, that equal to 1 by 50. That means P plus Q can fill the tank in, completely fill the tank in 50 minutes. Next, P plus Q can fill the tank in 15 minutes. That means due to some leakage, and due to some leakage, then actual time is 50 minutes. Due to leakage, some R also added, then the time is 33 by 3%, that means 100 by 3%. That equal to actual time P plus Q is 100% efficiency, and P plus Q minus R equal to 100 plus 33, 100 plus 100 by 3, that equal to 3. LCM is 400 by 3, that equal to 300 is to 400, that equal to 3x is to 4x, that equal to already actually P and Q is 15 minutes. That means 4x means 20 minutes, x equal to 5, 3x equal to 15, x equal to 5, and PQR equal to 4x, that equal to 20 minutes. That means I want R, that equal to PQ plus minus PQ minus R, that equal to R equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20, that equal to 4 by 4 minus 3 by 60, that equal to 1 by 60, that equal to 60 minutes. Then R alone can fill it, empty the tank in 60 minutes.